Windows 11 is not only modern and visually appealing, but it also comes packed with security features designed to keep your PC and personal data safe. In this video, we'll break down the key security features of Windows 11 in 2025 and explain how they protect you online and offline. First, let's talk about hardware-based security. Windows 11 requires TPM 2.0, Trusted Platform Module, which provides a secure environment for encryption keys and sensitive data. Along with Secure Boot, these features prevent malware and unauthorized software from loading during startup, making it much harder for attackers to compromise your system. Next, Windows 11 includes Windows Hello, a biometric login system that uses facial recognition, fingerprints, or PINs. This is faster, more secure, and much harder to hack than traditional passwords. Combined with passkeys and passwordless sign-ins, Windows 11 reduces your reliance on passwords while keeping your accounts safer. Microsoft Defender Antivirus is built directly into Windows 11 and provides real-time protection against viruses, malware, and ransomware. In addition, Microsoft Defender Smart Screen warns you about potentially dangerous websites and files, helping you avoid phishing and malicious downloads. Windows 11 also focuses on data protection with features like BitLocker encryption, which encrypts your entire drive to prevent unauthorized access if your device is lost or stolen. For businesses or advanced users, Windows Information Protection helps prevent sensitive data from leaving approved apps or networks. Another security layer is sandboxing. Windows 11 can isolate untrusted apps or files in a virtual container, so if something malicious runs, it doesn't affect your main system. This is particularly useful for testing new software or opening suspicious attachments safely. Automatic updates are another critical feature. Windows 11 regularly updates security definitions, system patches, and firmware improvements, keeping your PC protected against the latest threats. Combined with cloud-based protections and AI-driven threat detection, the system can identify and block attacks faster than ever. Finally, Windows 11 includes enhanced firewall and network protections, including ransomware protection for your documents and folders. These settings can be customized to block unauthorized network activity and protect sensitive files from being altered by malware. In summary, Windows 11 in 2025 combines hardware-based protections, biometric security, built-in antivirus, encryption, sandboxing, and cloud-powered threat detection to create one of the most secure operating systems available today. By understanding and enabling these features, you can make sure your PC and personal data remain safe at all times. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more Windows 11 security tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.